Today's video is regarding Canon Pixma MG3620 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of this printer. So first step is to switch on the printer and open the front door. As you can see this here, and this is the ink cartridge chamber door here. We have to open it, wait for the ink cartridges to move and come on the right hand side. To remove the ink cartridges, press the lock down. You can take the ink cartridges out from here. And to install the new ink cartridge, simply place the black ink cartridge on the black side, which is here. So press the ink cartridge little bit in and push the lock up. So it will slide in and go to a place where you can push the lock. Now close this door and this chamber. Also, if you want to know what's the ink cartridge number of your printer, on this side of the door you will see the ink cartridge. On the back side of the door, ink cartridge numbers are written, so you can just use those ink cartridges for your printer. Once you install the ink cartridges, simply close the door and you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.